That looks like an SD160 pulling in.
Next train, Central Park, on track 2.
Hello, Mr. LRT Motorman. We're gonna ride in 1057.
Square station.
Marvel uniform, so super gross.
Next stop, Corona Station.
There's the other SD160 LRT. 3 cars. Metro line.
Corona Station.
What a good spot. By the door. Where are you headed to, bud?
Southbound.
You're in the right train. I'm getting off at University Station. I just love recording LRT trips. And bus trips. It's always a treat. I take the subway at Union Station in Toronto on visits. The Toronto Rockets are very nice. They go over the switches like the LRT on the tracks and through the tunnels. I just came on from Bay Enterprise Square Station. And I love going over the North Saskatchewan River on the Dudley Menzies on the LRT and the high-level bridge 109th Street on the bus 9 Southgate. And 52 Southgate, because they go along the area. Grandin Station has some better lighting too.
Grandin Station. Next stop, University Station.
On the high-level bridge scenery. It's so lovely at night. Isn't it a good sight? Yeah. Where are you guys getting off? Southgate?
Huh?
Where are you getting off at today?
We're gonna have to Century Park.
You're in the right train, dude. This is the Metro LRT line.
Yeah.
And Capital Line goes along that area, so you're on the right train, dude. I'm a YouTube enthusiast.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I love recording public transit trips, elevator trips, bus trips, subway trips, LRT trips, and GO train trips.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Brian Maplebeck, that's my name. First name Brian, last name Maplebeck with the two piece.
Back on.
Mappbeck. That's my last name.
Okay.
First name Brian, middle name Christopher, but people call me Brian. Or Mr. Brian, Mr. Maplebeck, whatever.
I'll check out your channel, man.
Oh, it'll be amazing. It'll blow your mind. Everyone loves my videos. I do a good job, and it's a work of art. Would you guys like to have my seat? I'm getting off right now.
Oh, no, we're good right here, man.
Okay, no problem. I just thought I'd ask you all nicely.
All right, you have a good night.
Oh, and I hope you have a nice evening as well, ladies and gents. That's my Mickey Mouse voice impression. People think I'm Mickey Mouse. Next stop, University Station. Oh, excuse me. I want to say goodbye to the LRT driver. Bye! Thanks for the ride! This is what I call action, dude. I'm a YouTube enthusiast.